Vanakkam, hello, good morning. I am Saravana Kumar, Managing Partner, Sri Saravana Fabs. Our company Sri Saravana Fabs is ISO 9001 2015 quality with technology driven company. We have latest technology machines from laser cutting to robot welding. We have excellent technical support team and well balanced workforce to execute any customer requirement. In fact, we give priority to high quality products and also fond of doing challenging jobs and critical components. We are specialized in ingress protection panels in mild steel and stainless steel. We manufacture IP65, 66, 67 protection, empty enclosures from size range of 100 mm length, 100 mm width, 100 mm height to 1200 mm length, 1000 mm width, 2000 mm height. Our products are industrial tool trolley, bin trolley, workbenches, modular workstations. Part and products manufactured by us are exported to Middle East, Europe, and we are expanding to other regions. Our company handles all type of steel materials, stainless steel, aluminium, galvanized sheets, copper, bronze, and other metals too. Our mantra is better fabrication always.
Sri Saravana Fabs was established in 1997. This unit is well known as SS Fabs in industrial circles India for its superior quality of sheet metal products. We at Sri Saravana Fabs always focus on reliable, cost-effective, quality and on-time delivery of sheet metal products. We have well-balanced technical team and well-trained operators to take care of all variety of customer requirements. We always maintain cordial work environment and relationship. We give utmost care for technological upgradation, continual improvement in every process to achieve total customer satisfaction. Finally, better fabrication always is our motto.